In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cinematic black bars in DaVinci Resolve 20 in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to give your videos a more polished, film-style look, whether you're working on a short film, a music video, a vlog, or any creative project that needs that widescreen cinematic feel. The best part is that you can apply it across your entire timeline in seconds, without manually cropping every single clip. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips and tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're on the Edit page. You can do this by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This is where you'll find your timeline and most of the editing tools you need for this effect. Once you're on the Edit page, look up to the very top of the screen and click on the Timeline menu. This menu contains a number of settings that affect how your project is displayed and edited. After the drop-down menu opens, hover over the Output Blanking option. You'll see that this gives you different aspect ratio choices designed to create black bars automatically. From here, select a cinematic ratio, such as 2.35 or 2.39. The moment you choose one of these options, DaVinci Resolve will instantly apply uniform black bars to your project. You don't need to add anything manually or place any extra effects on every clip. As soon as it's applied, you'll notice the black bars appear in the viewer, and they will cover your entire timeline consistently. This means every clip in your project will now have that widescreen cinema look, which is perfect for creating a more dramatic and professional presentation. If you ever want to change the look, you can go back to the timeline menu and choose a different output blanking ratio, or remove it entirely if you no longer want the bars. That makes this a very flexible effect, especially if you're experimenting with different styles for your edit. And that's all it takes to add cinematic black bars in DaVinci Resolve 20. It's fast, simple, and one of the easiest ways to make your footage look more like a movie. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.